Welcome to Art House for Kids channel, where we have a lot of fun with drawing and coloring. A house needs a roof at the top. Let us draw the roof of the house. Please subscribe and like our videos for other kids to see it and have fun as well. Let's draw a nice big square in the middle of our page. This is the body of our house. Now, our family needs a way to get in, so let's draw a tall rectangle in the middle for a door. Our house wants to see outside, so let's draw 2 windows. Up in the corner of your page, let's draw a big circle for the sun. Give it lots of little triangles around it like shiny cones to make it look super bright and happy. Near the sun, draw a fluffy cloud like big puffy cotton candy floating in the sky. Let's add some flying friends. On the side of the house, let's grow a little flower. Start with a circle on top, then a straight stem. Add some petals all around the circle, like a daisy smiling at the sun. Let's highlight your drawing so that it looks bolder and nicer. Please subscribe and like our videos for other kids to see it and have fun as well. Now let's make our house even happier. You can color the roof orange, the door red, the sun yellow, the house and the flower any color you love, and the cloud blue. Please subscribe and like our videos for other kids to see it and have fun as well. You just made a sunny, happy home. Please subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing videos.